dining room. Aguinaldo's special guests dined on the large wooden table during important occasions and parties. On the ceiling is a relief map of the Philippines. Cavite was painted red because it was considered the center of the revolution. Above the window are paintings on a glass portraying his wives and children. Pairs of columns separating the sala to the main dining room were created from wood of different shades to evoke the colors of the Philippine flag. There are also paintings of Aguinaldo's wives and daughters on the glass lanets above the windows in the dining room. The massive buffet cabinet with equally large mirror complements the enormous dining table, which is inlaid with the general's name and the date March 22, 1942. The grand table was a gift to Aguinaldo on his 73rd birthday by furniture maker Don Gonzalo Puyat, who also commissioned most of the furniture in the Aguinaldo home. The main attraction of the dining room is the sailing relief of the Philippine Islands. Cavite in red paint, emphasizing its important role in the revolution.